Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Grave Frog model kit is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for enthusiasts of unique and quirky designs, offering a blend of artistic expression and intricate detail that sets it apart in the world of model building. This particular kit promises an engaging assembly experience, perfect for hobbyists looking to add a distinctive piece to their collection, and its charmingly macabre aesthetic is sure to be a conversation starter. Whether you're a seasoned modeler or just starting out, the Grave Frog model kit provides a rewarding project that results in a visually striking display piece, embodying a playful yet sophisticated take on gothic themes. Number 5. LEGO Botanicals Bonsai Tree Building Set 10281. Discover the LEGO Botanical Collection's unique bonsai tree building set. It's designed for adults and makes a beautiful, artificial plant for your home decor. Engage in a mindful building experience with this set. You can even find tiny frogs hidden within the cherry blossom blooms for a playful touch. Customize its appearance with either classic green leaves or vibrant pink cherry blossom blooms. This allows for an eye-catching, unique decoration for any space. Feel good about your decor choice. This set includes several elements made from plant-based plastic, produced using sustainably sourced sugarcane. Looking for a unique gift? This bonsai tree model is a great idea for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion for adults. This is part of the unique LEGO Botanical Collection for adults. It complements other sets like the flower bouquet and orchid. What we like. This set offers a unique and mindful building experience. It allows for custom arrangement of leaves, giving you creative control over your decor. If you are looking for a calming activity and a beautiful, personalized piece for your home or office, you should consider this. What people say. The organic look of the trunk is achieved with some really clever curved pieces. It comes with two full sets of foliage, classic green and pink cherry blossoms. Swapping them out is surprisingly fast and easy. My favorite detail is the pink cherry blossoms. When you look closely, they are actually tiny pink Lego frogs. It's a quirky, very Lego touch that my son thought was hilarious. Number 4. LEGO Architecture San Francisco Skyline 21043. Experience the vibrant San Francisco skyline with this detailed building set. It features some of the city's most famous architectural landmarks. You can build models of the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and the Transamerica Pyramid. It also includes the charming, painted ladies' buildings. This set is perfect for building and displaying in your home or office. It brings a piece of San Francisco's architectural beauty to you. Part of the LEGO Architecture Collection, it's designed for both kids and adults. It allows you to recreate famous landmarks from around the world. With 565 pieces, this makes an excellent gift for anyone aged 12 and up, and for adults who appreciate iconic architecture. It's a great collectible. You can combine this set with other original LEGO sets and bricks for even more creative building possibilities. Let your imagination soar. What we like. This set captures the essence of a famous city's skyline with iconic architectural marvels. It's designed for display and offers a sense of place. If you are a fan of cityscapes or have a connection to this particular city, you should consider this. What people say. It was super fun to build and see under the hood of how it works and all the little details, like how two of the waves help keep parts in place, and looks great. The attention to detail is amazing, and the finished product looks fantastic on display. The finished product is more sturdy than I expected. The bridge towers might need a good squeeze once in a while to help keep them in place and certainly could be knocked over pretty easily, but nothing is particularly delicate, and the base pieces do a good job of keeping everything together and bend very little. Number 3. LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron 42083. Get ready to build an iconic supercar. This detailed model is a faithful recreation of the real thing, perfect for car enthusiasts and aspiring engineers. With 35.99 pieces and a stunning duotone blue finish, this collectible sports car is a true masterpiece. It's an ideal addition to any car collection, ready for display or play. Explore its intricate details, including an active rear wing, an 8-speed gearbox, and a W16 engine. It also features a steering wheel, suspension, and spoked rims for ultimate realism. Unbox this incredible model in its luxurious packaging. It even comes with a collector's booklet to enhance your building experience. This impressive model can be combined with other LEGO Technic sets for endless creative possibilities. It measures over 5 inches high, 22 inches long, and 9 inches wide. Looking for the perfect gift? This is an unparalleled collectible for anyone who loves cars and engineering. It's a building experience like no other. What we like. This is a highly detailed and authentic replica of a luxury sports car. It features an advanced gearbox and many realistic functions, making it a true collector's item. If you are a car enthusiast or appreciate intricate engineering, you should consider this. What people say. The Grave Frog Model Kit is a highly detailed and intricate model that captures the essence of the character perfectly. The parts fit together with precision, making the assembly process enjoyable and rewarding. The design of the Grave Frog Model Kit is exceptional, with a unique aesthetic that stands out from other models. The included accessories and interchangeable parts offer great customization options, allowing for a personalized display. The quality of the materials used in the Grave Frog Model Kit is top-notch. The plastic is durable and holds paint well, making it ideal for custom painting and weathering effects. The articulation points are well designed, allowing for dynamic posing. Number 2. LEGO Icons Haunted House 10273. Step into the dark and spooky Manor Von Baron, a thrilling and detailed collector's piece designed for adult fans. This haunted horror house is packed with chilling features. Discover a freefall ride, haunted doors, and a cursed painting filled with artifacts collected by the villain. The hinged sides open to reveal creepy and intriguing decor. Experience the magic as the light bricks illuminate the haunted house right away, creating an eerie atmosphere. Batteries are included for instant enchantment. Take control of the elevator via the app for an interactive experience. You can motorize your model by adding specific powered-up components, sold separately. With 3,231 pieces and 10 minifigures, including one in a wheelchair, this set offers hours of relaxation. It's perfect for building together and creates an eye-catching display model. This haunted house set makes a fantastic birthday or Halloween gift for your ghost hunting and thrill-seeking loved ones. It's a fun way to build together. Belonging to a series of inspiring building sets for adults, this collection is designed for fans who appreciate elegant design and engaging hobbies. What we like. This set offers a thrilling and detailed haunted house experience with interactive elements. It's designed for relaxation and display, with the option to motorize it for added fun. If you enjoy spooky themes, creative building, and a unique display piece, you should consider this. What people say. The Grave Frog Model Kit is a fantastic addition to any collection, with intricate details and a unique design that stands out. Assembly was straightforward, and the finished model looks impressive, capturing the essence of the Grave Frog character perfectly. Number 1. LEGO Technic Off-Road Buggy 42124. Get ready for hours of fun with this incredible building kit. It's an app-controlled RC buggy packed with features inspired by classic 1980s toy cars. Pull off awesome stunts with ease. Its front and rear suspension, massive tires, and angled front make it perfect for thrilling maneuvers. Download the free Control Plus app to unlock a new dimension of play. Control the car, perform stunts, and discover exciting challenges and sound effects. This is an awesome gift for kids aged 10 and up. Adults who remember the classic 80s RC cars will love it too, creating a fun experience for everyone. Check out the cool retro color scheme, complete with sticker details inspired by the 1980s. It's a blast from the past with modern interactive features. This model measures over 5 inches high and 11 inches long. It's detailed and ready for action, bringing a classic toy to life. What we like. This set brings back the fun of 1980s RC cars with modern app control for stunts and challenges. It features robust suspension for off-road adventures. If you are looking for an interactive toy that bridges generations or enjoy performing tricks, you should consider this. What people say. The Grave Frog Model Kit is a highly detailed and intricate model, perfect for experienced modelers. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts, making it a rewarding build. The finished gray frog model boasts impressive articulation, allowing for dynamic posing and display options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.